Thanks for checking out my interactive IEP goal banking template for middle school math. Let me show you around. First, I'll make a copy, then I'll rename it, save it to my drive, then I'll click Start Here. I'll start by entering my student's name and grade level. Then I'll select a time frame. I usually select 36 instructional weeks for an annual goal. Next, I'll select a skill from the list. The goal bank comes preloaded with 5 skills for each grade level, but you can add more. I'll show you that in a minute. First, I'll select the supports my student will need in order to accomplish the goal. Then I'll enter some sample baseline data and mastery criteria just to show you how this works. Maybe you've noticed that as I make changes to the yellow data entry fields, the goal is updated in the gray box below. Now, if I want, I can copy and paste that goal into other applications. Now let me show you how to edit the items that appear in any of these drop-down lists. Simply select the red Edit List Items button, and then select the list you'd like to edit. You can delete, change, and add new items to any of these lists. So if I add an item to the supports list, it will now appear in the drop-down menu on the template screen. Let me show you one more awesome thing about this goal bank. Each preloaded skill links to a set of task cards and data collection tools that you can use for baseline assessment and progress monitoring. Now, if you have my complete IEP toolkit, then you already own all the task cards listed in this goal bank. If you'd like to get the toolkit, it's available on TPT and linked in the spreadsheet itself. And that's it. Thanks so much for hanging out, and please let me know if you have any questions.